Okay. Chapter 6, Study Guide. Chapter 6, Study Guide. We're going to start at number 1 with our ones with the definitions. The blank appears above the fraction bar and the blank appears below it. Well, which number appears on the top, Taylor Ann?
Numerator?
Right, the numerator.
I knew that by heart.
And then it says, and the blank appears below it. Which one's on the bottom, Hannah? Thank you, Hannah. Denominator. The way I remember these is D means down. So it's on the bottom. D means down.
I know what the third one is.
Okay, guys, settle down. Number 2. Not yet. 2 fractions that have different denominators are called what, Jackson? Unlike fractions.
The handle gives. I just put not on there because that's what it sounded like to me. Then when he told it, he wrote it down. I was like.
Number 3.
No,
Oh, we
we didn't.
didn't do this one. Okay. Number 4. The directions say. That's an awful noise. You hear it? Let me go shut those doors. Okay. Our directions on number 4 tell us to complete the missing improper fractions and mixed numbers. So we're going to have 4 blanks. You can fill them in as we go, okay? You can draw what I draw, okay? Hold on.
They should really get some soundproof.
Yeah. Okay, so do you see how on the bottom it gives you the fractions and then goes to improper? And then the top will have the mixed numbers. I'm not going to draw the whole thing because that would take me forever, but I'm going to draw some. So this one is 1 2/5. This one has 1 3/5 and then 8/5 below it, right? This one, Kyra, is the one that I'm missing. So you could maybe put a box around it or something. What is the next one if I have 1 2/5, 1 3/5? What is it, Lance?
1 4.
Right, 1 4/5. Good. Good, I'm proud of you. Next, they say is 2. And they have 2 1/5 here. Well, what is that as an improper fraction? Improper. Is it 9? No, what is it, Zoe? How did you find that? Right, she did 5 times 2 and got 10 and added 1, and that's 11. And she kept the bottom number the same. Okay? So, next, I have 2 1/5. What goes here?
13. No.
No.
13.
No. I'm up here at the mixed number part.
2 2/5.
Right, 2 2/5. Box that one, Kyra. And so now, the next one, they give me 2 3/5. But what is that as an improper?
12.
Not 12. 13. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 3 is 13. So 13 over 5, right? So that would be worth 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Okay? Yeah. We'll see. Okay, so are we ready for number 5? You good now? Okay. Number 5. The sentence. So did you mark out the sentence?
Yes.
Okay, good. So we're supposed to make the mixed number as an improper fraction. So how do I take 2 1/2 and make it improper? 2 1/2 and make it improper. Taylor Ann?
I times 2 and 2 make 4. I added 1 and I got 5.
So 5 over 2. You can just write this, Kyra. So 5 over 2. Okay? So let's look at our next page. There's a lot of stuff on this page, doesn't it? So 6 and 7.
But that don't mean it's hard.
Correct. That does not mean it's hard. In fact, we should be able to do these. So 6 and 7 both say express each mixed number as an improper fraction. 6 looks like this. 3 and 1/4. So how do I make that improper? Raise hands. I want to call on somebody. Avie, how do I make that improper? Over 4. She said you do 4 times 3 and add 1. So 4 times 3 is 12, right? Plus 1 is 13. And then keep that bottom number the same.
Yeah, I thought it was
So how about this one? I got a lot of sleepy heads in here. It looks like y'all at lunch, get your bellies full, now you're sleepy. What's this one? Go ahead, Kyra. Over what? Yeah, perfect. So number 2, she says. Yep,
that's what I got.
perfect. So we're doing well with our improper fractions. Let's see if we can take improper fractions and get to mixed numbers. Okay, that's our next one. So 8. Hush, hush, hush. 8 looks like this. Who's going to help me with this one? Aiden, help me with this one. What do you get? 13. Wait. That's right. That's what. Go ahead. Say it again. Right. 1 and 3 over 4. He said 4 goes into 7 one whole time, right? And then he's got 3 left over, and you just bring your 4 over. Okay? 9. 9 over 2. Well, count by 2's, Trey, to get to 9. Look at me. Count slow. 8. Then 10, right? 10's too many. So I got to go down to the 4. So I got 4. If I'm at 8, I got to count up to 9. How many is that?
I'm the door. Trace.
So if I'm at 8, count up to 9. How many is that? No. 8, 9. Right? It's got 1 left over. So the 1 is the top number.
Yes, dear.
And you bring over your 2.
Yes, dear.
Hush, honey, for just
It
a
looks
second.
like red flag.
Hey, okay. Do you see what we did? You count by this number to get to that. And if you can't get there, you put how many times you get close and then count the leftovers. Alright? Okay. 10. This is where we start doing our unlike fractions. Why are they unlike fractions? Nope. What does unlike mean?
Subtract.
Bottom numbers are different. Right. Bottom numbers are different. Let's see. I'm thinking of, we could group a lot of different things in here, couldn't we, with unlike things. We could have girls and boys, right? What about hair color? Blonde, brown, black. Some of you are
Gray.
between blonde and brown, right?
Here.
What about shoe color?
Red, white, black, green.
Shirt color, coat color.
Blue, green.
So we can have very, very unlike things, right? Now with fractions, we're talking about denominators because that's what we need to put fractions together, right? We have to have the same things. Yes.
Calculators and other things.
It's okay. Exactly. No, you're not.
No, you're not.
Okay, let's be quiet. Let's be quiet. Number 10. Number 10 is 4 over 5 plus 3 over 10. How do I do this? Yeah, Aiden. Okay. Right, he said times it by 2 on the 4 over 5. And then he told me I get an 8 and a 10. Okay, I'm ready for my next step. Okay, so then I add them, and you get 11 over 10. Okay, can I leave it like that? Okay, so fix it now for me. What? 1 and 1/10. What's this kind of? Look, you can't leave it that way. Why? What's this called?
So, Miss Spear, can we put the 11/10 in the box?
No.
Or you have to put 1?
You have to put 1 and 1/10 in the box.
Oh, yeah, that's what I did.
What is this kind of fraction called? Earth to class. What's this kind of fraction called? Say it. Improper. Aiden already told you what this one was called. What's this one called? Mixed.
Mixed number.
Improper. Mixed. Improper. Mixed. You have to be able to know those words, guys. How are you going to understand the directions if you don't know what those are? We'll see. Can you do the next one? Okay, the next one, 11. 5 out of 7 minus 1 out of 14. Okay, Caleb, I'm ready. Tell me what to do.
Times 5 by 2.
Okay.
And times 7 by 2.
Okay. Keep going.
And then like if you understand if you like what's the rewrite the fraction, it'd be 10/10.
Very good. Okay. And so then I can just bring this other down, right? Oops, put a 4. Okay, now what?
Make it a improper fraction.
Is it improper?
Mixed.
What's 10 minus 1?
9.
Okay. Is that improper? What does improper mean?
Where it's not proper.
Okay, yeah, but what's an example of an improper fraction?
Like you would have a fraction, you had like a 1 or 2 or something to it.
Yeah, it turned into a mix. Now, is this? Can I count by 14 to get to 9? No. So this is fine, right? This one can't be. This one's not an improper fraction. What's the easiest way to see an improper fraction? Where's the big number at?
Bottom.
Bigger number's on the top. Look up here at this one. Where's the bigger number?
Top.
On the top. That's an improper fraction. Yeah, babe. Hurry.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. 12. Yes, you may. Shh. Hey, guys. Focus. They're trying to use their time wisely. I'm proud of them. Good. Now, what do I do with this one? Focus, 4th grade. Focus. You're welcome. What do I do, 4th grade? Go ahead, Zoe. Both of those, tell me. The first one and the second one? I times these 2 by 2? Both of the 3s. Okay, good. So I times both of the ones with 3s by 2. And I get what here? She's helping me, wait. 2/6? What did I do? What happened? Oh. There we go. Now what? Very good. Put these together and tell me what we get. What do you get, Trey?
Bottom number is 6.
Okay. And what's the top number? That's it. Hold on.
12.
Try one more. Try again. Hush. Yeah. What's this kind of fraction called? What? Yeah, but why? Where's the big number?
The big number's on top.
There it is. Okay, Trey, count by 6s to get to 11. 12. 12's too many, right? So you only get 1. If I'm at 6, count up to 11. 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, so 5 is perfect. Perfect. Yes, sir, it was.
That's the end. I don't know why I have 11/6.
It can't say 11/6. Why, Caleb, can it not say 11/6?
Because you can't count by 6s to get to 11.
You can count by 6.
Yeah.
The top number is bigger. You cannot leave them like that. I will count them wrong on your test. Just saying. 13.
If we don't get it right on the test, we're kind of wrong, or we'll get it right. We got it right.
Yeah, then it's right. Okay, what is, what, baby?
He thinks he knows it.
What is 1? What is 1? A big 1 is a fraction. 1 over what? 1. Say again. 1 over 1. Always put the big numbers over 1. Right?
I got 5.
Okay. Now what? Go ahead, Trey. What am I going to times this first fraction by?
No. I'm thinking of the second
Okay, so you said times this one by 2. Okay, that's a good one.
one, and then
What'll do to this first one? Times by what? 1 times 1? What's that? So, that's not gonna work.
and then the second one would be 4.
Wait. We're still on the first one. You haven't feasted. How do I get a 1 to a 10? 1 times what?
9.
You're adding.
Oh.
Multiply. Yeah, 10. So I get 10 over 10 here, right?
And then
Oh.
then the next one,
Here. Yeah, go ahead. And the next one's what?
4 over 2.
Okay. Oops, so that put a 5. And then minus a 1 over 10. So, now just go down the line. What's 10 minus 4?
6.
Okay, take away a 1. So 5.
5 over 10.
5 over 10. Is this an improper fraction?
No.
Why?
Because there's no big number.
The big number is on the bottom,
Yeah.
not the top. Okay, so who got 5 over 10? Is that it?
Yeah. Here. Wait, no.
Say it. You can reduce. What can I count by to get both of these numbers? 5. So I have to divide them both by 5. 1 over 2. 1 over 2.
That will be the answer.
That's the answer.
I'm gonna miss that. It's 5 minus 50. I did my homework all by myself, and my dad checked it, and I got it all right this year. I'm just doing it in class. I'm giving you the witness.
Okay. Next. You have to be able to do these 3 fractions, guys. Very important. And if you don't reduce, it's wrong. I will count some off. 14.
Always do.
Okay. So help me out with this one. Trey.
Would you count 3 times 3?
Yeah.
So
So,
the next one,
yep. Remember top and bottom. Okay. So now this one's fine, right?
and then 3 times 2
Is
6,
okay.
and then that one would be 3 over 9,
Yeah.
and then when you add it, it would be
Okay, take your time.
13 over 9,
Perfect.
and then that will be mixed, and then you have to like carry.
Count by 9s to get to 13.
4.
9,
Oh.
18, 27, 36. So 9, 18?
No, that's too many. And then it's 1 over.
So, yeah. So what? No. So if I get to 1, that's a 9, right? So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
4 over.
Right.
He's
He's doing good. That's why when he goes and takes some worksheets home tonight, he's going to get them, isn't he? I know you
It's like
could.
that one day when you got
You
almost
know.
half the question right.
Huh?
Trey,
Well,
half the question right. Remember?
Yeah.
Miss, do we not
no. 15. Some of you have homework because you have things that need to be finished. Some of you do not.
I'm already finished everything.
That was 14.
Oh,
Okay, what is 3, Lance, as a fraction? What's 3's fraction?
3
Over what?
over.
Nope.
No, 1.
1. 3 over 1. Very good. So 3 over 1. Very good, guys. Okay, now what? What do I need to get to? What number do you need to get to on the bottom, Jackson?
12.
So what do I do to this one?
You, plus it.
Plus?
I mean, times.
There you go. Times by 12. It's okay. And then what about the middle one? What do I times by there?
Times by 2.
All right. Times by 2. So 12, 24, 36. That's 36 over 12.
I'm just so tired. And then now,
Understand.
12, and then add the 1 over 12, and then...
All right, so let's minus 36 minus 10. That one's not bad. It's 36 minus 10. Take away a 10. No, take away a 10. If you're at 30, go down a 10. 26. Okay, so 26, take away a 1. 25, okay. So, yeah, over 12. Okay, so now how many 12s? How about 12s? How many? 2. 12, 24. Right? Okay, so I'm at 24. That's 2. How many else to get to 25? 1. Hold on, baby.
1 over 12.
What number? 14?
13.
13 or 14? 14. 1 and 4 9.
Are we gonna do 19?
Oh yeah, we're gonna do all these. And I scratched off a couple, didn't I?
Yeah, you said 16, 17,
18 and 20, so we'll do 19.
Yeah.
And we scratched off 16 and 17, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so now our last one is 19, right? Okay, let's listen. Shh. Let's listen. Rory spends 1/5 an hour cleaning the table, 3/10 of an hour washing dishes, and wait, we don't even know. We haven't finished reading it. And 4/5 an hour reading a book. How many hours does she spend doing all of these activities, Jackson?
You added.
Because it said I want to know how much time I spent doing all of them together. Together means adding, right? Putting stuff together. So I have 1/5 of an hour plus 3/10 of an hour plus 4/5 of an hour. Does it? How do I do this one? How do I do this one? Go ahead, try.
4 times 2,
Okay, this one by 2.
and then that will be 8 over 10, and then,
Oh, good job. Sorry, I broke 5. Okay.
and then the other one will be 2 over 10,
Okay, very good.
and then,
Please be sure you're writing this down, Trey, because you're saying the answers really well, but we got to organize our thoughts, okay? So go ahead and write them right underneath it so you know what you changed, okay, babe? And then we'll add the rest of it. You'll want to. Make sure you're getting it right,
and then
okay? So now add them for me.
13,
Is it 10? Yeah, okay, so,
and 1 over 10.
okay, now, Trey, make this a mixed number. Know that I will be taking all this stuff down tomorrow. Okay.
Tomorrow. Yeah, because we got test tomorrow.
Okay, tell me, baby, what's this as a mixed number?
They said it's Friday.
No. Count by 10s to get to 13.
You can't do it.
So how many do you have? 1. And what does that get me to? What's that number you counted? You got into 10, right? Now count up to 13.
3.
3.
3 over 10.
Perfect.
Great job.
Good job, bud. Good job. Now you can go home and finish these now, can't you? That's exactly what I
What are we
need.
doing now?
Okay, guys, we are at the end. So